The topic is about therapeutic community program. What is therapeutic community? The therapeutic community program represents an effective, highly structured environment with defined boundaries, both moral and ethical. The primary goal is to foster personal growth. This is accomplished by reshaping an individual's behavior and attitudes through the inmate community working together to help themselves and each other, restoring self-confidence and preparing them for their reintegration into their families and friends as productive members of the community. Pioneered in the late 1950s, the therapeutic community movement spread across the nation, bringing a way out of self-destructive behavior for those who were thought often to be beyond recovery. In 1969 to 1979, it was originally known as Challenge House. Spectrum was responsible for establishing one of the first therapeutic communities in the country for the treatment of substance abusers. The program opened in Lawrence, Massachusetts in 1969, and it was renamed Spectrum House before moving to Westboro in 1979. People behind the success of therapeutic communities. Dr. George DeLeon, professor of psychology from New York University, is an internationally recognized expert in the treatment of substance abuse and a leading authority on research in therapeutic community. He stated that therapeutic community is fundamentally a self-help approach. The basic approach is to use the peer community amplified with a variety of additional services. In 1998, Eric Bruckert, Martin Kuhlman, and Donald Ottenberg identified the following as important aspects of TC: self-help and mutual help. As first on the list is the integration of residents making a sufficiently long stay necessity. Standard of competence among staff, with ex-addicts having an important contribution. And sharing daily life and value system, no violence and drugs, responsible concern and structure. Ward S. Condeley and Robert Hubbard. In the year 2000, they described the objective of TC treatment as promoting global challenges in the attitudes, values, behaviors, and lifestyle of clients. They identify the approach as involving creating a community in which members are confronted by their peers about their irresponsible and destructive behavior, motivated to accept personal responsibilities to their behavior, encouraged to change themselves through individual and group therapy, work, self-help groups, and other therapeutic communities. Provided with role models by both peers and ex-addict staff. And offered educational and vocational training needed to become self-sufficient when they return to the community. Moose and colleagues, in 1999, they distinguished different models of community residential facilities as follows. First is therapeutic community model, which reflects principles of personal responsibility and reliance on the community as therapeutic agent. Second, psychosocial rehabilitation model, which emphasizes the development of work and social skills and ways of managing high-risk situations. 12-step model is based on principles primarily drawn from Alcoholics Anonymous. There are two types of therapeutic communities. First is democratic TC, or DTC. It is linked to psychiatry, which is used almost exclusively trains from medicine, psychology, and social work, etc. Programmatic community designed for drug and alcohol addiction, which employ mainly ex-addict as staff.